Hi, hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, what we are going to see is how to add ESP32 and ESP8266 module in Proteus library. For that, I have given the download link in the description. Click there and download the library file. When you click the download link, it will direct you to drive file. Here you can see this is ESP32 library. This one is NodeMCU library. So click here and download, and click there and download. Open the folder and then extract mode. And then create new folder. Copy these two library files. Paste in the new folder. And copy other two library files. Paste in the same folder, and then copy these four library files. Then close the Proteus, then find the file location. Go to Proteus 8 professional. Data and go to library file. And then paste both libraries here. Then you can see four files are here. Then open the Proteus. Create new project. And select the component. Here you can see this one is ESP8266 module. And this one is ESP32 module. If you want to do more project related to ESP32 and ESP8266 NodeMCU module, you can create the project and simulate. That's all about today's video, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel.